It works. It needs some assembly. Oh ho ho! Dude, look at the turning radius.
Chase, what are you doing?
I'm doing a review, Andre. Man, someone impatient, maybe slightly childish, looks like they broke into the box. Couldn't wait to get a sneak peek.
I think the delivery guy did us a little favor, or maybe his kid did. But anyway, look at the front of these boxes, Case. This is just an absolute childhood dream, if you ask me. 10-year-old Alex would have been really, really drooling over these, and 24-year-old Alex is doing the same because, yeah, I grew up on these, and I could not be more stoked to have something like this at the office. So we've got quite the collection of boxes here. We can see a SX350 little kid's dirt bike up top. We have a dirt quad, youth sport electric off-road quad, and then this big cardboard box that is completely unlabeled on the bottom.
Not sure what that is.
We have no idea what it is. A lot of times we try and hype things up and, you know, we'll say, what did we get? But we actually have no idea what's in this bottom box. So.
Yeah, it was actually Nathan that organized all of this. He wants us to reach a younger audience, and honestly, we're just kind of excited to see what kind of ridiculous things we can do on these.
Yeah, I don't have kids, and I definitely won't have kids for a long time because that sounds miserable right now. But one day I will, and you bet your ass I'm going to be putting my kids on things like this as soon as they can stand up, basically. So yeah, we're going to be making a bunch of different videos with these. This is just going to be an unboxing. We're learning about these products as we go, so we'll show you what we got, how to set them up. I'm not sure if you really have to build these things. Pretty cool though, looking at the box. This is actually the bike that Jeremy McGrath won his AMA Supercross championship on. So
that is a certified fact.
Yeah, it should be really, really powerful.
Looks like a pretty complete bike,
yeah,
though.
I see like a fender. Pretty completely put together. I'm sure there's a few things we're gonna have to do. That's even smaller than I thought it was gonna be. That is tiny.
Man, I hope the bottom box is a bike, but I think that might be a quad.
I think it might be a quad too. Let's pull this out though. Give you a little size comparison here.
Oh dude, it's perfect for you.
It's great. You don't even need a ramp to load it. Look at that.
Nice. To make sure that this motorcycle is transported safely, you can see there's some tape holding it in the off position. I'm gonna go ahead and veto that. And it works. It needs some assembly, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick. We're gonna try and assemble this whole bike without me having to get off of it. It should be ideal.
I'm totally bringing this to my track day this weekend.
How are you gonna do that if I steal it out of the office today? Ooh, good enough. Riveting TV. Cool. And this is officially assembled. I in fact did not get off of this bike the entire time we were assembling it. I haven't actually looked at the back half, but that looks pretty assembled to me. Cool, let's see how she goes. Oh ho ho! Yeah, we're off to a strong start. Yes, getting the hang of it. Oh yeah, she's maneuverable.
Okay, so let's get a little size comparison with a mini bike.
Oh, with the monkey?
Chase, what are you doing?
Well, isn't it obvious?
Are you running? Is that the new Razor?
Yeah, I'm doing a review, Andre.
Oh, it's fast.
It is fast.
Holy cow.
Alex, you have to try this.
Oh yeah.
Dude, look at the turning radius.
Awesome.
There's no age limit for having fun on this vehicle.
Handlebars just bent completely backwards.
Clearly not made for such a burly rider as yourself.
Yeah, I'm having fun already. Like I said, complete childhood dream. Let's go finish the other two. All right, so the dirt quad is now all put together. I think we got to rotate these handlebars a little bit forward because my knees are making it so I can't really turn. I think even fully forward though, it's gonna be really hard to fit an adult on one of these. But anyway, we're gonna go through this one on the Charger 2. Now's for the really exciting box, the one we have no idea what's inside. That big brown cardboard one that's unlabeled, so let's cut that open and see what's inside. All right, we're both guessing this is a quad.
Yeah, we think it's probably a quad. I think it would be really cool if it was one of the even bigger electric dirt bikes. The electric dirt bike we have is the 350. They also make a 500 and a 650. Oh, it's a quad.
It's a quad, a big quad.
It is a big quad. Dude, it's huge.
It's huge.
They can't see it yet. Boop.
It's a big quad.
Big quad. $500 quad.
So yeah, this looks like it'll actually be able to fit on this
Big time.
and not look like a clown.
Oh, look at the size of the front tires.
I think this one's pretty much put together too. I think we just have to flip these bars up and then we're set.
All right, so we still have to convince the rest of the team that this is a good idea, but Alex and I really want to take these to the Razor Rocks where we test a lot of our really big trucks. And,
So if you want to see that, let us know down in the comments below and convince the rest of the team that that's a good idea.
we think it's a good idea.
So yeah, this one was super easy to put together. We just found out the name of this is the Dirt Quad 500. So the one we just looked at before this was the regular Dirt Quad. This is the Dirt Quad 500. And yeah, I fit on this much better. I can actually use the foot platform and I can actually get a good grip on the handlebar. We still mounted them tilted forward a little bit because we are adults and we want to be able to fit on it properly. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It looks like we have fake gas cap down here. That's how you're going to charge this up. So that's pretty cool. On and off switch, throttle. This one even has a battery indicator. Razor sent it to us full. Thank you, Razor. Anyway, let's go park this next to the other two and close this video up.
Oh, I baked it right at the end. Is this what they do in Philly?
Work ended an hour ago. Rest of the office left. We're just having fun. So on a more serious note, these were really easy to put together, and this could be a really good way to get your kids into power sports products at a very young age. This right here is the Dirt Rocket 350. It's a tiny little bike, $329, so really, really affordable, and I'm really liking this one already. I've had a lot of fun just riding it indoors in the office here. This is the Dirt Quad. This goes for $490, and then if you want to step up to the bigger Dirt Quad 500, that's going to run you about $800. So we have more videos coming down the road with these three machines right here. If you have any recommendations or want to see anything specific with these, let us know down in the comments below. We're looking for really crazy and fun ideas, so whatever you got, shoot it at us and we'll be sure to look at it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to head on over to tflbike.com so you don't miss any stories in the motorcycle world. Catch you in the next video.